Hello everyone, today we will show you how to turn your Android tablet into a second monitor for your Mac. First, make sure you have your Mac and Android tablet ready, and that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or that you have a USB-C cable for a wired connection. Next, on your Mac, go to the official website of the app called Duet Display and download the Mac version. Then on your Android tablet, open the Google Play Store and install the Duet Display app there. Once both devices have the app installed, go ahead and launch the app on both the Mac and the tablet. On the Mac side, sign in or create your Duet Display account if required. Then connect your Android tablet to the Mac. For best performance, use a good quality USB-C data cable. The wired connection tends to give you lower latency. Now on the Mac, open System Settings, go to Displays, and you should see your tablet listed as a second screen. Set it to extend display rather than mirror so your Mac desktop acts as a bigger workspace. Once that is done, you can drag Windows off your main Mac screen over to the tablet. On the tablet, you will see part of your Mac desktop now. Now you can open apps on the Mac and drag them to the tablet screen. Thanks for watching.